Oh, the garden is in shambles. Hey superstars, welcome back to the channel. Y'all, okay, so I have kind of neglected the garden a little bit, and yesterday I learned that my water hose has broke. If y'all are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Angie and this is Life with Star. It's a melting pot of things over here, honey. And if you are returning, baby, welcome back. So judgment-free zone, right? Okay, I started a garden. I normally had like a complete brown black thumb. Was able to grow a significant amount of things. And now as we are kind of like gearing up for fall, the garden is in shambles. So let me show y'all what the hell we got going on. So over here is my grapevine. It ain't really doing a whole lot of nothing. It's starting to vine off. Like, it's maturing. It is what it is. I got my Barbados cherry tree here, self-pollinator. Mango tree, doing great. Avocado tree, struggling. I don't know what happened. Sunflowers, baby, I'm going to have to put them in the ground because they too damn big for sharing this bag. No good, no bueno. Over here, I had sugar baby watermelons. The vine is gone. I pulled her. The eggplants, they did not like what I was out here doing. First of all, they got too damn viney. It's just a mess out here. It's just too damn hot. I may restart them, to be honest with you. They grow pretty fast, y'all. So I may pull these out, and I got to top all the beds with fresh soil, amendments, all the things anyway. So we may restart the eggplants. I have not decided yet. Here is going to be a combination between these two beds. These beds are from Snug Nurture, y'all. I will link them in the description. So if you guys need some garden beds, honey, and you need some durable, you know, reliable beds that's really good, get them. They're great. They come in, they have all kinds of different like variations. But anyway, these are the 4x2. They come in multiple colors. I have the cream white, and then I have the nice soft green here. But on this arch trellis, we're going to do a variety of cucumbers, and I'm going to do a variety of beans on this trellis. And I haven't decided if I'm going to put one 4x2 bed over here, like going horizontally, or if I want to put two of the round 24-inch beds, two of those over there per trellis. Haven't decided yet, don't know. But we're going to do double variety of, or two different varieties of cucumbers, and then we'll pair them up with whoever, I don't know, some herbs, I don't know. We're going to figure it out. We're going to do something. If I yank these out, I may restart eggplants, or I may let them be something else. I don't know. I haven't decided. We need to decide. That's the whole purpose of this. I'm trying to hold myself accountable. I'm going to pull out the sunflower child. We're going to chuck her and the birds or whoever wants access to it. All my basil in the garden has bolted, but you guys see Miss Bee herself. Look at the bumblebee. Love it. That's the only reason why I left it out here, is because of the fact that the bees were happy that the basil went to flower. I don't technically need to harvest any of the basil seeds, but if I want, sorry about that. So yes, I don't need to technically harvest any of these basil seeds, but I may harvest a few of them because honestly, I don't have a problem with going and getting ready-made basil herb plants. I don't have a problem doing that. So then I have these round 24-inch beds, also from Snug Nurture. I just have these cages just in there just so it's not an outhouse out. I mean, it is kind of an outhouse out here. But I did order 3 more of these, so they're going to get dispersed through the garden. And then I have 2 more of these guys as well. So I'm going to be trying my hand at some brassicas, like, you know, your collard greens, cabbages. I haven't decided if I want to do broccoli or not, y'all. I'm really on the fence. I'm not quite sure. Here are some of my pepper plants. They're kind of struggling. It's been very hot, y'all. Like when I say very hot, very hot. I see some aphids on here. We're going to have to do something about that. Get these under control here. I should have pulled those already. They're already overripe. Anyway, but these are bell pepper plants. These are ricotta pepper plants, bell pepper, jalapeno pepper, some dried ass lemon thyme or lemon balm, I don't know. Cubanelle and banana pepper, bell pepper, and cayenne pepper that has aphids in it. She's struggling. The water hose, listen y'all, the water hose broke. My son is trying to take it off. I need to water the plants. It's about 9 something right now, but it's already really hot, but I don't have a choice. Like I have to water them. So yeah, it is hot out here, y'all. So yeah, I am excited for fall. Okay, like it's all trial and error. Like, you know, anything can go in the garden. Anything can happen in the garden. Nothing's guaranteed in the garden. You know what I'm saying? But we just trying here. We out here trying, y'all. We out here trying. Y'all don't mind. Don't like ignore all the mess, okay? The pool is probably the only thing that looks halfway decent. All right, we got our water. They is dehydrated. Child, that water just running straight through the bag. Oh, my son got the hose off. Yeah, see, there's ladybugs and all the things out here, y'all, but this thing is crispy. She's crispy. But look at all those cayenne peppers. Nice. Fill her up. Just put a little bit of water in there. Very good. We'll let her drink from the bottom. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna let this plant just go, y'all, because like I said, it's no sense of growing shit that you don't use all the time. All my other peppers, like the cubanelles, the banana peppers, bell peppers, like those I actually enjoy. She's cute. I'm just gonna plug this one to signal to the plant to keep producing. They both smell really, really good. Like they both smell really, really yummy. Okay, yeah, when the sun goes down, I'll come out here and spray everybody with like neem oil or whatever solution. And I'm not gonna water this because like I said, I'm trying to let this just completely die out. What's gonna happen, y'all, is everything's gonna get pulled out of these beds. And I think I just made the executive decision that I'm gonna pull these eggplants out. And we're just gonna call it a day. We'll pull out the sunflowers and everything's gonna be revamped because we are kind of getting in that window where we need to hurry up and make decisions on what it is that we're gonna do. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Oh, my chime is going off. I hope you guys enjoyed the garden tour or what little of it there is right now. And I'll see you guys on the next upload, honey. Listen, it's always grow something. Spread love is free. All right. If you guys enjoyed this video, oh, and y'all put in the comment section what water hose you use because I got the pocket hose from Home Depot. I ain't buying that shit no more. $50, and it's the second one that I went through. I'm over it. I'm not buying no more of those. So I need to know what durable water hose you guys are buying, okay, that I don't have to worry about splitting or exploding through, or it's just like it just wants to just go kaput on me out of nowhere because it was literally just fine the other day. But anyway, put it in the comment section. Follow me on our other social media platforms. I'll list it in the description. And what else? It's hot out here, y'all. What else? What else? What else? What else? That's all I got, baby. Spread love is free. It costs nothing to tell somebody you love them. I love you. And again, it's always grow something, baby, okay?